Today we explore the life of Imam Zainul Abidin, also known as Ali ibn Hussein, the fourth Imam in Shia Islam. Imam Zainul Abidin was born in 658 CE in Medina. He was the son of Imam Hussein and the grandson of Imam Ali and Lady Fatima, the daughter of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He is perhaps best known for his role in the aftermath of the tragic Battle of Karbala. As one of the few male survivors, he witnessed the brutal massacre of his family, including his father, Imam Hussein. Despite being severely ill during the battle, he displayed immense strength and resilience. Imam Zainul Abidin's life was marked by his deep piety and devotion to worship. He spent countless hours in prayer and supplication, earning him the titles Sajjad, the one who prostrates often, and Zainul Abidin, the adornment of the worshippers. His profound spirituality and wisdom are encapsulated in his work, Sahifa Sajjadiyya.